This is Vivekanand Mishra from DAV Public School, Kent area, Gaya. Today I am going to teach you an important chapter of English practice book. Earlier I taught you putting it together, regular and irregular verbs. Today I shall teach you determiners. Determiners plays an important role in English grammar. It is very important for competitive examinations also. But do you know what determiners are? My dears, determiners are the words which are placed before a noun or noun phrase in a sentence. They determine the position of a noun or a noun phrase. Therefore, this name has been given to them. As they fix the place of a noun or noun phrase in the sentence, therefore, they are known as fixers also. My dears, determiners are not adjectives because they do not describe a noun. Rather, they determine a noun or noun phrase. Now, I would like to tell you the different kinds of determiners. The first is articles, a, an, and the. The second, possessives, my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their, one's, etc. The third kind is demonstratives, this, these, that, those. Distributives is the fourth kind, each, every, neither, either. And fifth kind is quantifiers, some, any, no, much, more, many, most, little, a little, less, least, fewer, fewest, enough, several, all, both, half, etc. The sixth kind is interrogatives, and they are what, which, whose, etc. I think you have understood that determiners are not adjectives. Sometimes you can be deceived seeing the use of determiners, but you should always remember that they determine the position of a noun or noun phrase, rather describing them. Now see here, there is a paragraph to be filled in with proper determiners in B. It has the title Park in Sujanpur. In my summer vacation, I visited a park in Sujanpur. The park was small. Why? Because it has been repeated in the sentence, and therefore the article has been used. Because you know well that articles are of two kinds. They are indefinite and definite articles. A and an are known as indefinite articles, while the is called to be the definite article. Definite article is generally used when in a paragraph the same word or the same place is repeated. This has been done the same here. That is, the term park or the word park has arrived here twice. Therefore, before it, I used the. That is, in my summer vacation, I visited a park in Sujanpur. The park was small. There were swings and slides in it. Sid enjoyed the swings immensely. He tried many one of them. What we liked best about the park was that it was very clean and peaceful. Nikki wants to visit the park again. This is how the first paragraph has been filled in. Now see about the park in Nehra. On Sunday or one Sunday, I visited a park in Nehra. It was very big. There were many swings and rides in it. All the rides were electric ones, and there were lots of food stalls. Sid liked the park for various reasons. Mrs. Arya and Nikki, however, did not like the park because it was very crowded. In worksheet 2, you have been given some words and there are articles between those group of words. With the help of these articles, you have to join those group of words to make a meaningful sentence. For example, I didn't buy an ink pen. He drank a cup of tea. This is how sentences can be made by you. I have given you some examples. Now I would like to tell you that you have to complete these worksheet 3 or these questions of worksheet 3. For example, did you buy anything? Yes, I bought a hat and a scarf. The hat cost me $10 and the scarf $12. There's a fly on his wound. Let him drive the fly away. What I told you, all those should be taken care of, and you will certainly be able to do all these. Now, I would like to see, or I would like to guide you how to do worksheet 4. Here, this is Madhuri's calculator. This calculator is Madhuri's. Similarly, that is Arunima's box. That box is Arunima's. These are Srishti's charts. These charts are Srishti's. Those are Shaloni's sketch pens. Those pens or those sketch pens are Shaloni's. This is Chavi's file. This is how you can do all this. Understand? Here in worksheet 5, you have been given some words with determiners, and perhaps you have studied it in the lesson collectors in the unit hobbies of English reader. The collectors, the pages, the stamps, the containers, the shelves, the envelopes, a large book, a collector, a packet, a cupboard, a box, like so. Here I mean to say that we do not use a or an with plural nouns. Only they are followed by the. Understand, my dears? And therefore I told you everything about indefinite articles and definite articles. Now see, do it yourself and there will not be any problem. For example, there was an old man from Cochin. He had a leg made of tin. When he went for a walk, he just could not talk. This is how it has been completed. And in my further video, I shall teach you the next lesson, that is subject-verb agreement. My dears, I thank you a lot. Be careful. That's all.